Hi, my name is Uddhav and I'm going to be your instructor in this Python course. In this course, you are going to learn everything you need to know to get started programming in Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages and everyday people use it to do cool things like automation and AI. It can also be used to build applications and websites like Instagram and iMovies. My name is Uddhav. I am a student at Genesis Global School. I am in 10th grade and I am 15 years old. I am making this YouTube channel as a part of my personal project. I have dedicated a lot of time in making these videos. So if you find them helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Python on your computer. So the first thing I want you to do is open up your browser and head over to python.org. On this page, click on Downloads and here you can see the latest version of Python. Chances are in the future when you are watching this tutorial, there is a newer version of Python available. Don't worry, all the materials you are going to learn in this course will apply to the latest version of Python as well. So let's go ahead and download Python 3.10 folder, and here we should have Python 3.10 installer. Simply double click. You are going to see an installer like this. With this set of wizard, we are going to install Python 3.10 on our computer. So simply click on continue again, and here we have to agree on these terms and conditions. And here we have to click install. It will ask you to put your password, so I've just done that. Alright, we have successfully installed Python 3.10 on our computer. Alright, next we need to install a code editor. A code editor is used to write codes just like we use Pages to write Word documents. Now there are so many code editors out there. The one that I'm going to show you in this tutorial is known as PyCharm. PyCharm is one of the most popular code editors for writing Python code. You can get it from jetbrains.com/PyCharm. PyCharm is considered as an IDE, which is basically a short form for Integrated Development Environment. So let's go ahead and download PyCharm. Now here on the download page, you can see two versions of PyCharm. One of them is the professional edition version, which has additional features but you have to pay for them. The second version is absolutely free. It is called the community edition, and that's what we are going to use in this tutorial. So let's go ahead and download this as well. Now once you can look at your downloads folder, you should have PyCharm. So double click this and you need to drag this icon on the applications folder. After this, let's double click on this icon to run it. The first time we run Python, we are going to see this warning because this is an application that we downloaded from the net. So let's go ahead and open it. So here's the main page of PyCharm. Click on new project and let's rename this Python project. So let's call this project the starter project. Let's create. Now here, right click on starter project and go to new and Python files. Let's call this file app.py. So by conversion, all Python files should have this extension py. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from it.